Here we're going to demonstrate a chest drag using the VIKCTIM Drag Strap. The first rescuer spots somebody. Victim. That tells the second rescuer to get within range, stay out of the way. We know we want to position head first out. He pulls the strap out of his sleeve, the second rescuer, puts his thumb in the back of the 10-inch loop, and sets back and waits for the first rescuer to determine are they going out a window or door. In this situation, they're going to go the way they came in. So he flipped him around, head towards the exit. Firefighter that found him has the victim stretched out, positioned head towards the door. The other firefighter comes in, his strap was deployed. He fist pumped himself. His fist, opposing wrist comes up through the hole and back over the strap. He's now ready to go. When he's got it, that second rescuer is going to say, got it. And the first rescuer drops the arms. When he's ready, he's going to say 1, 2, 3, and the second rescuer will help lift under his elbows. Here we're going to demonstrate an additional grip. If you have a very large patient, your strap is adjusted for the average patient. You can go in, put your hand through the strap, and if you can't get all the way through and back on top, you want to do a deep palm grip. You see how he shoves it all the way back in his thumb, across his palm, and then takes off. Drops the arms, he gets help standing up. 1, 2, 3, grab the shoulders, and they're out of here. And now we're going to demonstrate a double wrap for a smaller victim so you don't have excess drag strap in play. He goes through once, he realizes he has a lot of extra room, he wraps his arm around again, takes up some of the strap. Now he feels good about it. He drops it, he says, got it. He drops his arms. His partner grabs his elbows, 1, 2, 3. They stand up and they're out of here.